Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by gathering the right hardware and prepping the phone. First, plug an original Samsung or PD-capable adapter into a working wall outlet. This ensures correct voltage and current. Next, connect a high-quality USB-C cable and plug it into your Galaxy A10 to make sure the port is free of dust. Once done, power the phone on and unlock it, because you need access to settings to enable charging options. This prevents false readings and helps the phone negotiate fast. You now change the software settings that allow higher current. Go to Settings, then Battery, and tap More Battery Settings. This is where Samsung lists fast cable charging. Turn the fast cable charging toggle on. This tells the charger and phone to negotiate higher current safely. If you use power-saving modes, turn them off because they can limit charging rate. Also, disable battery health apps that throttle current. These can block fast charging without obvious signs, so make sure they're not active. You're finishing by verifying that fast charging works and fixing common problems. Plug in the confirmed adapter and cable. Observe the charging animation and watch the battery percent rise. Fast charging shows a noticeable jump in the first 10 minutes. If it feels slow, swap adapters and cables to isolate the faulty component and gently clean the USB-C port. If issues persist, restart the phone, boot into safe mode to rule out apps, or reset network and power settings. These steps restore default negotiation for fast charging.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.